Namaskaram. Although it may seem trivial, cracked heels and foul-smelling feet can be quite embarrassing when around others. Smelly feet are not only unpleasant to oneself but also interfere with one's daily activities. Above all, dirty and smelly feet can also lead to various infections. With the help of some fairly simple but highly effective home remedies, you can avoid this unpleasantness. Let's have a look. Heat 100 grams of bee wax. Heat it until it melts. Add 50 ml castor oil and immediately add 50 ml coconut oil and stir continuously until the mixture achieves ointment-like consistency, and then turn off the stove. Filter this mixture, add some camphor to it and store it. After washing the feet with salt water and wiping it clean, gently massage this ointment to heal cracked heels for good. Now, what should we do for smelly feet? To get rid of smelly feet, rub some fresh lemon on the feet and wash your feet with water or salt water. Maintain good hygiene by washing your socks regularly and cleaning the shoes once every 2 days. We'll see you soon. Pranam.